Bookmap versus ATAS order flow platforms. Choosing the right order flow platform can transform how you read the market without missing critical price action. Both Bookmap and ATAS offer unique tools for order flow analysis and trading insights. Bookmap and ATAS are powerful order flow platforms designed for traders seeking market transparency. The core difference lies in their visualization approach. Bookmap focuses on a heat map style depth chart, while ATAS emphasizes detailed footprint charts and volume analytics. Bookmap is an advanced order flow platform that visualizes market liquidity through a dynamic heat map. It displays real-time order book data with color-coded liquidity levels, showing where large orders accumulate and how they evolve. This visual depth chart allows traders to anticipate price moves by identifying support and resistance zones created by hidden liquidity. Bookmap also features volume dots representing executed trades, helping users track market flow precisely. Its strengths include intuitive heat map visuals, fast data updates, and extensive broker integrations. However, Bookmap's learning curve can be steep for beginners, and its focus on heat map visualization may not suit traders who prefer detailed footprint data. Ideal users are active day traders and scalpers who rely on spotting liquidity shifts and order book dynamics quickly to make informed decisions. For those who want a vivid, real-time view of market depth and prefer a graphical approach to order flow, Bookmap provides a robust solution. ATAS is a comprehensive order flow platform centered around footprint charts and volume analysis. It provides detailed insight into market microstructure by displaying bid and ask volumes at each price level, allowing traders to analyze buying and selling pressure precisely. ATAS supports multiple chart types including cluster, delta, and volume profile charts, giving users deep flexibility in examining order flow. Its strength lies in the granularity of data and customizable analytics, making it ideal for traders who want to dissect volume patterns and trade imbalances. ATAS also includes tools for market profile and volume breakdowns, which enhance understanding of market context. On the downside, ATAS's interface can appear complex, and it may require more time to master its extensive features. It's best suited for professional traders and those focused on volume footprint analysis over visual heat maps. Traders who prioritize detailed volume data and advanced footprint charting will find ATAS an invaluable platform for refining entries and exits based on precise order flow signals. Comparing Bookmap and ATAS highlights key trade-offs. Bookmap excels in visualizing liquidity, with its heat map making it easier to spot large resting orders and market depth changes at a glance. This suits traders who want a fast, intuitive view of order book dynamics. ATAS, on the other hand, delivers deeper volume and footprint chart analysis, offering granular data on executed trades and bid-ask imbalances. This appeals to traders who prefer detailed volume breakdowns and customizable analytics. In real-world use, scalpers and day traders might favor Bookmap's clear liquidity visualization for quick decisions, while swing or professional traders could benefit from ATAS's comprehensive footprint tools for strategic planning. Both platforms require time to learn but serve different trading styles effectively. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize visual liquidity insights or detailed volume footprint data. Bookmap is recommended for traders seeking a visually intuitive platform to monitor liquidity and order book shifts quickly for active, fast-paced trading environments. ATAS is ideal for traders who need detailed footprint and volume analytics to analyze market microstructure deeply. It offers powerful tools for volume-based strategies and professional-level order flow analysis. Choose ATAS if you want granular control and advanced volume insights to refine your trades.